Hi, good morning, friends. Today is January 20, and it's a very special day because Xavier and his wife, which got married on last Sunday, today is the reception, and I have been asked to cook the dishes like fish and the pork and dal. And this gentleman, you can see they are already cooking the rice, which the rice has been brought. It's a home rice, so they have started cooking from 4 o'clock in the morning, and I also got up quite early to cook this food. And it's a lot of smoke, lot of noise, and a lot of smell of masala and all these kind of things. My nose is stuck, and I don't know how it's going to turn up, but I hope it will turn up well. And I'll ask you all to taste it through your eyes. Okay, so guys, go through me today and let's enjoy this reception. And I'll be your host in this kitchen, where I will be showing you what I'm doing and all the activities before the reception takes place. So thank you guys, and please remember, Tea Country host, my name is Arun Kulu. Please subscribe and share it with your friends, and let's see what is going to happen today in this reception. Thank you. Okay, in this side the ladies are busy cutting, cleaning, and remember, these guys are all family friends. Some of them are relatives who have come, so you can see them cutting, cleaning the vegetables, potatoes for the curry. रात का बारिश में बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गया था, क्योंकि छत से कहाँ से लीक होकर के बारिश वहाँ गिर रहा था. Now they are getting busy because the reception timing is around 11-12 o'clock, and lot of visitors are there, and these bachas are waiting for kya. So we have started this second pot, and when the oil was heated, I had put those long elaichi and all those things and fried it. Then later on I put chili and onions, and we are waiting for it to get brown. Once it gets brown, then we'll put all the rest of the ingredients. So it looks very hot and spicy and tasty. It's going to be such, you will see. And you can see Mr. Anthony, he has put his mask, and that's the right thing. Yeah, he has put the mask and he's doing that. Good. And he's helping me out, because it's quite troublesome. 140 kgs of meat we are going to cook, plus the fish, plus the other vegetables. These guys are cooking here. They are cooking the vegetables and rice. So it's still 9 o'clock in the morning. We are early, we are not late. And we are doing it fine. First round, people have already ate for the breakfast. Now they are waiting for the reception group to come and finish their meal. So the smoke is everywhere, and it is really hurting my eyes. We have put the meat in with all the ingredients and all. Now every now and then we have to stir it. The meat is cooking slowly with this heat, and you can just see the fat is coming out from that. And by the time, maybe it will take an hour or so, the meat will be nicely cooked. And every now and then we have to stir it. It might get burnt, and the whole bloody taste will go back. So I'm trying my best to make it nice and spicy and hot, because the weather, you see, if you see the weather, it's very disappointing, right? The clouds are gathered. I hope it doesn't rain. If it rains, then it will spoil the whole atmosphere. Hey, Mr. Somesh है ना, class 7 में, उसका पिताजी है ये Ajit. He is stirring the thing so that it doesn't get burned. Hey guys, don't worry. This is ये रिसेप्शन का मील नहीं है, ये ब्रेकफास्ट खा रहे हैं. So these are all family members. Early in the morning they have come to help plus clean up the place and they're having their breakfast. This is breakfast hai. Oh, this lady got fish. She doesn't eat meat, so she's getting. Oh. This is Miss, the owner of this house. No more owners. You got a big auntie now. चल. They are not eating reception का खाना. ये खाना है breakfast. Breakfast में भी ये लोगों को चावल मिला है, सब्जी मिला है, मीट मिला है यार.
जेबो खैफोद आफोद गैयाजासे दुखु दाहा गैयाजासे एक्सिडेन्ट गैयाजासे मोजां मोजां दैदेनबोबाय आरो बिदिनो जों बिफानियाव जों बे दिनैनि गासैबो हाबाफोरखौ
आज मेरा यार का रिसेप्शन है. देखो ये है जेवियर और उसका मिसेस रेवती. ब्यूटीफुल कपल एंड आई होप ब्यूटीफुल थ्रू आउट द लाइफ दे विल बी. हेलो सिस्टर कुल्लू. ये मेरा बहन है. ये मेरा बहन है सिस्टर कुल्लू. यहाँ देखो फादर कुल्लू भी है. वो मेरा भाई है. सब भाई बहन बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ. यहाँ घर का रिलेटिव्स, जो घर का परिवार का रिलेटिव्स है, यहाँ पर ये लोग चाय पी रहे हैं. जो शादी हो रहा है उसका सब माँ, अंकल, आंटी ये सब है. I wanted to show you this improvised, I don't know what do you call this, मिक्सी. ये गांव का मिक्सी है. देखो मिक्सी से ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यार. Hey guys, we cooked this pot. ये pot जो है आप देख सकते हैं, ये pot जो चला रहा है सर, ऐसा 4 pot हम लोग पकाए. That is counting for 1500 people. It's not enough. It seems they have gone to buy some more meat so that my work will be extended longer. Huh? अरे यहाँ एक फुटबॉलर है यार, ये हर एक साल का टूर्नामेंट में इसको मिलता हूँ मैं. ही इज़ ए गुड प्लेयर. दिस गाय इज डूइंग सिविल इंजीनियरिंग इन CIT कोकराझार एंड हिज नेम, बाय द वे, कैन यू गेस? सदाम हुसैन था यार. कौन देश का राजा? इराक. हिज नेम इज इराक. रिमेंबर हिम. राजेश्वर तो यहाँ है और समलवा भी यहाँ पर है. संगीता मिस, मैडम संगीता, सोबिता नहीं है. Oh, Sobita didn't come. Nayan, he said he'll not come. He's coming. Good. Nice to see you, man. Felicita, you're looking very pretty. Headmistress, please change my routine. Brother, अभी बस चला गया है क्या? बस भी पंक्चर हो गया, लेकिन सही सलामत पहुंच गया ना.
जाहाथे बिसोरो बेबायदिनो सानैजों गोरोबलायनानै बासिलायनानै जाहाथे बिसोरो अरायसम बेबायदिनो मोनसे थांखियाव.
Xavier. And oh, this is Nabin. Yeah, Nabin. I know this guy. St. Xavier's का ये मालिक है, सलवारी का. St. Xavier स्कूल का मालिक है. आप क्या बोल रहे थे सर?
तो एप्सू का वर्कर है.
Okay. These guys are from the APSU. If you guys don't know what is APSU, this is All Bodo Student Union. They're close friends of Xavier. Hey guys, we have come to almost the end of the reception, and you can see Sir Michael is sitting with me with his child, and we had a wonderful time. I think now is the time is कितना बज गया यार? Time 5 बज गया, and most of the people who had been invited वो आके खाना खा के चले गए. आप देख सकते हैं अभी चेयर सब खाली है, अभी आके चले गए. I have counted because I have been cooking. I have counted around 1500 ऐसा तो हो जाएगा जो आए खाना खाए, और अभी सब चेयर सब खाली हो गया, अपना अपना घर चले गए हैं. आप लड़के के पिताजी हैं. आप आज का जो प्रोग्राम हुआ, आप खुशी हैं, आप सेटिस्फाइड हैं, दुख है ना खुश हैं?
बहुत खुश है.
आप खुश हैं. He is very happy. The program went very nicely, and let's ask him to say something in अपनी बोरो जे की बात कहो.
बे समाव इसोरखौ हामबायो. इसोरनि मुङै, इसोरनि हेफाजाबै आङो दिनैनि बे गोथार जुलिखौ जेबियार आरो रेबती फिसाजो एबा बिहामजो, दिनै बे गोथार जुलिखौ आं बयनिबो आंनि न'खरनि जा गामिनि ओनसोलनि एरियानि बयनिबो मदद मोननानै आं दिनैनि बे गोथार जुलिखौ आफा इसोरनि अननाय मददजों आङो मोजाङैनो खुंफुंनो हाबाय। बेनिखायनो आं बे समाव आरोबाव रोजा रोजा इसोरखौ हामबाय आरो हामबाय होदों। थेंक्स।
Okay, he says thank you very much to the Heavenly Father for this wonderful time where they had this wedding reception and everything went all well, very well, and he looks satisfied and content. In the end, only two of them are dancing, so I'll join them here. अरे मस्त डांस कर रहे हैं, देख 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 कैसा डांस कर रहे हैं।